This is likely an inventory file used by a POS system. It's often a text file or CSV in disguise. Try opening it with Notepad to see if the data is readable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the contents. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest INV cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. The INV file extension is associated with inventory and INV data files. These files typically contain inventory data, which may include product names, quantities, prices, and other relevant information. The specific format and structure of the data within the INV file will depend on the software or system that created it. The design rules for INV files are specific to the software that generates them. Typically, these files are structured to allow for efficient storage and retrieval of inventory data. The file format may be proprietary or based on a standard data format like CSV or XML depending on the application's requirements. The operating system preferentially attempts to open INV using Autodesk Inventor from Autodesk, Inc. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows offers limited insight into these files, so interpretation relies on the application that generated them. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your INV file and select Open With. If Autodesk Inventor is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If the INV file won't budge, stay calm. If the INV file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, execute Excel import trick. Don't just double-click the file. Open Excel, go to the Data tab, and select from Text, CSV. This allows you to manually set the column delimiters so your SKUs don't turn into weird scientific notation numbers. Next, check for flat versus relational. If your file looks like a jumble of text, check if it's fixed width. Older systems, like IBM mainframes, don't use commas. They just give every piece of data a specific number of character spaces, e.g., characters 1 to 10 are the SKU. Finally, validate the date format. A common reason these files fail to import is the date format, e.g., DDMMYYY versus MMDDYY. Open the file in Notepad to see how the POs save the dates, then adjust your import settings to match. When this INV file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your INV file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working. Look out for the next advanced guide.